So I'm going to invite the intern here and to share with us her story beyond just being an intern with WAVE, her personal life journey and story, because it's very, very befitting to hear from her because of her experiences in life. Asha, all yours.
So I'm a student at the University of Minnesota Duluth, as Mohan said, and I became intrigued by his memory and mind science workshops for a couple of reasons. One of them being that about 12 years ago, I was 16 years old, and I was in a car accident. I sustained a traumatic brain injury, and it affected the right side of my brain. And that, as we learned, has a lot to do with memory and recall. And so that was right in the middle of my high school experience, and as you can see, that kind of really created a lot of difficulties there in the middle of high school for me. And I've always been really intrigued about how memory works. I lost about a year's worth of memory at that time, and then ever since then I've had a lot of trouble with memory and recalling information and stuff like that. And so I came to the workshop, and one of the most amazing things for me to be able to apply this to was the elements. So I mastered the first 50. The funny thing is that throughout all of my high school career, I never paid any attention to the periodic table. Didn't even look at it, didn't care to know any of them. So when I started learning this technique, I was able to remember all of the first 50 of them with actually a lot of ease. And so that's what I'm gonna do. All right. So hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen,
After carbon.
carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, magnesium, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium,
So after rubidium,
after rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodinium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, and tin.
I wanted to take this time to demonstrate that someone that had lost her memory in a brain injury in a car accident and had lost several years of learning opportunity because she started to believe, and everyone made her believe that you cannot learn. But in the 4 days that she did this internship, mostly for what a social enterprise looks like, but then when she went through the content, that is an additional capability she's walking away with.